Good morning. Back at work again, hauling bricks this time. Getting up early is still a cup of milk with an egg. The nutrition won't be less, it will be more. Haha. First, I open the computer to analyze the data. My brain is buzzing. Who in the family understands this? Then let's take a look at this new 3-lens camera from U-Box. It's time for the cattle and horses to rest. Wake up and play a brain training game. Wake up our brains. Then the cows and horses began to be sold at high prices. Take my little computer and do the calculations. Now let me show you the explosion-proof camera. After that, I'll take our clients to visit our factory. Then the boss and the salesperson will show and explain our products to the customers. Today is a cloudy day. Beep. It's time to call it a day for the cows and horses. See you.